I'm about to introduce you to a plant that eats animals. Not metaphorically. Carnivore, mouth open, waiting. This is the pitcher plant. It looks like a fancy vase, but to an unsuspecting insect, it's a trap disguised as a snack bar. Sweet nectar lines the rim, called the peristome, like glazing on a donut. The second it gets wet from dew or rain, that rim becomes insanely slippery. One wrong step, and whoop, straight into the pitcher. Inside, the walls are waxy and slick, with downward-pointing hairs. It's basically a botanical water slide with no way back up. At the bottom, there's a pool of digestive fluid. Think soup, but for dissolving prey. Enzymes helpful microbes release nitrogen, phosphorus, and other nutrients. Why? Because these plants live in terrible soils. Bogs, acidic swamps where nutrients are scarce. So they hack the system. They eat. Here's the twist. Not all pitcher plants are the same. In Southeast Asia, Nepenthes grew giant mugs. Some can hold over 2 liters. A few have caught frogs, lizards, even the odd mouse. Rare, but real. In North America, Sarracenia built elegant tubes with windows that confuse insects into flying deeper. And in Australia, Cephalotus made tiny, spiky chalices. Same idea, totally different design. That's convergent evolution, different lineages inventing the same solution, a pitfall trap, because it works. The engineering is wild. The peristom's micro-structure channels water into molecularly thin films, making it more slippery when wet, like nature's perfect banana peel. Some species add a viscoelastic fluid that clings to struggling prey, turning flailing into quicksand. And they don't just take, they partner. One Nepenthes species offers a sturdy toilet bowl for mountain tree shrews. The shrew licks nectar from the lid, does its business into the pitcher, and leaves. Nutrients delivered. No casualties. Another shelters a tiny bat that roosts inside. The bat gets a safe home. The plant gets nutrient-rich rent. Even ants get in on it. Some live in the plant's hollow stems and defend it from pests. If you've ever wanted to grow one, it's doable, but it's not a house fern. Bright, indirect light. High humidity. Distilled or rainwater only. No minerals. Never fertilize the soil. Don't feed it meat. Let it hunt tiny bugs on its own. Here's what I love. A plant can't chase, can't bite, can't run. So it uses physics, chemistry, and time. It lures with sugar, slips with water, traps with geometry, and digests with enzymes. It's not a monster, it's a masterclass in adaptation, born from scarcity. So the next time you see a delicate pitcher swaying in the breeze, remember, it's a quiet predator, and in a world full of motion, it wins by staying perfectly still, and letting everything else fall in. I'll leave you with a question. If plants can be predators, what else have we underestimated?